How to delete notes on Facebook profile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how to find and delete old notes from your Facebook profile using iOS or Android. In this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're having an Android device, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you'll be redirected to the homepage of Facebook when you click on it. So what you gotta do is scroll all the way to the top and you gotta click on your profile over here. So once you click on your profile, you'll be redirected to your profile. Or if you're not redirected to your profile, you gotta click on menu icon over here. So once you click on menu, you gotta click on your profile name and you will be redirected to your profile. And here you'll be able to see a note appear next to your profile picture. So what you gotta do is simply click on this note and then you're going to click on delete note. By default, the note will be deleted after 24 hours. But however, if you wish to delete it before 24 hours, you're going to click on delete note and then click on delete again. And that's it. The note has been deleted. So that is basically how you can delete notes on Facebook profiles. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.